The TIGA file converter is very easy to use. You simply select a folder that you're going to use to contain all your AutoCAD files, and I've made a folder called DXF testing, and it's on my G drive, and a folder, so our input files are DWG and DXF. We could change that to be just DWG if we wanted to. In the drop-down list here, we're only interested in exchanging and converting DWG files, and our output is going to be DXF. So our output, and we've chosen, if you look here, we've chosen release 14 ASCII DXF, and that's the cleanest, simplest version of the DXF file we know of. So we're going to take a DWG and convert, in fact, all of the drawing files in the folder to that form. And we've also made an output directory as well, which is just an output one underneath our DXF testing. So we're ready to go. So we simply say start, and the program works really, really quickly and just works and converts all of the drawings. If you look here and where it says folder progress, it's working through a whole lot of drawings there. Says there's already one there. We say yes to all because I've been rehearsing it, and here's the little bar. So I have about 20 or 30 DWG files there in that folder, and they're all being converted in one go into DXF form. And once we got them in that simple DXF form, we can import them either into GardenCAD or into GardenCAD Plus. So this is a really, really useful tool. All files have now been converted, and what we'll do is start GardenCAD and bring some of those files in to show you the speed with which the conversion has been done and the clean, efficient drawing that we can use as a base plan. Well, now we're in the GardenCAD environment. I've gone File and New. I'll go File and New and do it again. Probably better to say No Template. And then I'll take Grid off. And now it's File and Import DXF. We can navigate to our output folder. So my G drive, my DXF testing folder, and my output folder. Let's just pick one of these site plans that had been converted from DWG into DXF. Now I've deliberately chosen a really big one here with lots of information on it. That takes a little bit of time to load, but once it's in, you will see the very large quantity of information that's in there. And here we are. So I can zoom in on the drawing. So this is a little hard to see, isn't it? But this is a large site with a number of small units on it. There's a bit of text saying garage, and this is unit number 5. So we have a base drawing that we can work with. It is as simple as that. So you're in control of the process. You can bring a DWG file from anywhere, convert it into DXF, and then bring it into your CAD environment using File and Import DXF. If you need to send a drawing back to someone, then go File and Export DXF, and you can send them a DXF file, and all modern CAD software will import a DXF file. So this gives you a good way of exchanging information with others, but being confident of what you're doing. You're in control of the whole process.